Hello guys and welcome to another YouTube video. My name is Muhammad and in today's video I'm gonna teach you how to get Gemini subscription for 1 year. Easy method, just don't skip any part of the video so you can avoid any issues, okay? So let's get started. Go to your Chrome browser and write intern like this and click on this website. Click on continue with email and write down your mail like this. Enter any password, write your name and click on sign up. You will receive a verification mail sent to your mail, so go to your mail and just grab the OTP and enter your OTP right here and click on verify email. Once you are done, connect a VPN to USA country. Okay, it must be United States. And after you connect, to get back to your browser, and now you have to open a new tab into your browser and click on random USA address. Click on this option, first option, change it to +1 and enter the number you see here, 312-623, and leave the rest. Don't copy the rest of the number, you just need 6 numbers, okay? For the current location option, just type India and choose this option or any one of these. I will choose this one. For the gender, click on your gender, doesn't matter. For the languages, just choose English plus Hindi. And here you must choose college student. For the college name option, type Delhi and choose this option. Here write computer science. For the start here, choose 2025 in the year 2030 and click on next. Here choose software development and click on next. Currently looking for internships and choose work from home and choose the first option. Now just click on find me opportunities. Wait for the page to load. And now click on unlock Google AI Plus. You will find this here. Click on it. Now click on claim now and click on start free 12 months trial. A new page will open. I have this account already redeemed before. I will switch the account to another account. I will be showing this account, and here we go, guys. Just click on start trial and wait for the page to load. Now for the credit card, I will be using Bybit card. It always works with Google Gemini offers, okay? So I highly recommend you guys to use it. Just enter any billing zip code and make sure you are in United States or any other, but make sure you have your United States VPN on. I will enter my credit card details and get back to you fast. After you added your credit card, just simply click on subscribe and wait for page to load. And boom, you guys subscribe now and you will see your Google AI Plus for 1 year already activated. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video so you don't miss any future videos.